Are you ready for breakfast? It's time to fuel up for the day ahead. It's the most important meal. Breakfast wakes you up and sets the tone for your entire day. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a morning workout, a nutritious breakfast is essential. It gives you energy for the day. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy that keeps you going strong. A balanced breakfast can do just that. A good breakfast is super delicious too. Think about the joy of biting into a perfectly ripe avocado toast or savoring a bowl of fresh berries. What makes a healthy breakfast? Good things. Think fruit and veggies. These colorful foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that your body craves. Think eggs and whole grains. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, and whole grains provide the fiber you need to stay full and satisfied. These foods are full of goodness. Nuts and seeds add healthy fats, while dairy or plant-based milk can give you a calcium boost. They will make you feel amazing. Starting your day with a nutritious meal can improve your mood and help you stay focused. So ditch the sugary cereals. Put down the donuts. These options might taste good, but they can lead to energy crashes later on. Let's make a healthy and tasty breakfast together. Gather your family or friends and create a morning routine that everyone will love. From smoothies to omelets, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy the most important meal of the day and start your day right. We all have those mornings. You know, the ones where you wake up feeling like a zombie, barely able to keep your eyes open. You stumble out of bed, dragging your feet to the kitchen, hoping a cup of coffee will magically make everything better. But instead, everything seems to go wrong. You spill your coffee all over the table, creating a sticky mess. You burn the toast to a crisp, filling the kitchen with smoke. It's like the universe is conspiring against you. And then, you decide to make pancakes, thinking it will be a simple task. But no, the batter spills everywhere and the pancakes just won't cook right. It's a comedy of errors. I remember one time I tried to flip a pancake and it ended up stuck on my head. I couldn't believe it. I stood there, pancake on my head, wondering how my morning had gone so wrong. But you know what? It's okay to laugh at these moments. They make for great stories to share with friends and family. We all have kitchen mishaps and they bring us closer together. So, what's your funniest breakfast story? Have you ever had a morning where everything went hilariously wrong? Share it in the comments below. Let's laugh together and make the best out of our kitchen disasters. Let's make breakfast. Today, we're diving into a classic morning favorite that's both delicious and incredibly easy to make. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is perfect for everyone. This recipe is super simple. It's perfect for beginners. We're making scrambled eggs. These eggs are creamy, fluffy, and can be customized to your liking. You will need eggs, milk, salt and pepper, and butter. These basic ingredients are all you need to create a delicious breakfast in no time. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Make sure to use fresh eggs for the best results. The fresher the eggs, the fluffier your scrambled eggs will be. Add a splash of milk. Whisk it all up. The milk helps to make the eggs extra creamy and smooth. Whisk until the mixture is well combined and slightly frothy. Next, melt some butter in a pan. Use medium heat to avoid burning the butter. The butter adds a rich flavor and helps to prevent the eggs from sticking to the pan. Pour in the egg mixture, stir it gently. Keep the heat on medium-low and stir continuously to ensure even cooking. This will give you soft, creamy scrambled eggs. Cook until the eggs are fluffy. See? Easy peasy. The key is to remove the eggs from the heat just before they are fully set, as they will continue to cook in the residual heat. You can add cheese too. Cheddar is yummy. Feel free to experiment with other ingredients like herbs, tomatoes, or even a bit of ham. Enjoy your perfect scrambled eggs. Your breakfast is ready. Look at those fluffy eggs. Don't they look delicious? You did an amazing job. Remember, breakfast is key to a good day. It gives you energy. It helps you focus. Plus, it's super yummy. What will you make for breakfast tomorrow? Share your recipes below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breakfast ideas. Let's get cooking.